everyone. Today we're going to take a look at this Emtek. This is one of the locks that Bobby Keyz sent me to turn into a challenge lock. Thanks for the lock, Bobby Keyz. After I get this guy picked, I'll put it in my bucket of locks that I've got going to make challenge locks out of. Then I'll get to it before too long. He says this one's all standard pinned, so maybe it's got spools, maybe it's got all standards. So let's find out. Got a little click off of 1, a little click off of 2, little click off of 3, nice click off of 4, nice click off of 5, and we're open. Alright, so I didn't detect any spools in that, so let's go ahead and gut it and make sure that it's all standards. But the binding order of that just happened to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which thankfully isn't the same number as my luggage combination. Okay, that is not wanting to come loose there, so we jab it down with something a little bit more blunt. There we go. Okay. Almost knocked that cord plumb out of there. Okay, so let's go with the plug follower. And starting with the key pin, standard, 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 and standard. No modifications, just like he said. So we're not getting any surprises here yet. So okay, up top we got a standard, a real stubby little driver. Yeah, I'll probably be changing these drivers out. These are way too short. And they're all standards. Yep. There we go, guys. All standard lock. I'm pretty sure all standard springs. So it is a stock lock. Bobby Keyz, thanks for the lock, and I will turn it into a challenge lock. Everybody else, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Never pick any locks that you don't own or locks that you don't have permission to pick. And please like and subscribe.